This weathered yellow structure is one of the Tapti gas platforms off the coast of Mumbai. For 25 years, this single field supplied approximately 15% of India FAS. But after extracting 1.3 trillion cubic feet of gas, the field is depleted. Now, India is undertaking a national first, the complete offshore decommissioning and removal of 5 of these massive platforms. To pull this off, contractors deployed a specialized marine fleet. As you can see here, they brought in a 3,000-ton crane vessel built specifically to lift the upper decks of the rigs, known as topsides, which weigh 900 tons each. But the engineering team is operating against a strict, unforgiving deadline, the region's notorious monsoon season. Leaving these aging rigs partially dismantled when the severe weather hits risks a catastrophic structural failure. The entire project is a race against time. Any delay in the logistics chain could leave the platforms exposed, risking a massive environmental and financial disaster. Right as the clock is ticking down, the operation hits a wall. As this diagram shows, the original lifting points on these 25-year-old platforms are uniquely oversized. Standard heavy lifting shackles fail to latch onto them securely. Safely hoisting 900 tons from these irregular attachment points requires the team to reverse engineer and manufacture a completely bespoke set of oversized shackles. When they reach out to standard heavy lift manufacturers, they are turned away. Traditionally, designing, certifying, and testing a custom lifting component of this scale takes several months, time the Tapti project does not have. A multi-million-dollar engineering operation, equipped with a 3,000-ton crane and a massive offshore fleet, sits completely paralyzed. The absence of a single custom connection piece has stalled the entire 900-ton lift. Enter ASDO, a specialized steel forging company out of Germany. They step in and commit to an aggressive timeline. They will design, manufacture, certify, and deliver these bespoke shackles to the Indian site in exactly 5 weeks from drawing approval. The sprint begins in-house. This simulation represents their finite element analysis, or FEA. ASDO engineers digitally stress test the bespoke dimensions to guarantee a design factor of 5 times the working load limit, ensuring the shackle can handle 5 times the expected weight before failing. Because they handle this modeling internally, their data is highly reliable. Their engineering pedigree secures technical approval from strict classification societies like DNV in record time. Compressing months of certification into days proves internal agility is essential. Raw manufacturing muscle isn't enough for this tight deadline. With the design approved, production shifts to the factory floor. The process begins with these premium grade 8 steel blanks, commonly referred to as dog bones. Notice the glowing, bulbous ends of these rods. ASDO uses a zero-waste upset forging technique, mechanically compressing the ends of the steel to thicken them. This maximizes the structural integrity of the shackle eyes without wasting raw material. Once the ends are formed, the massive steel rods are heated to extreme temperatures and bent precisely into the bespoke bow shape required to fit the irregular Tapti platforms. After the forging cools, the shackles undergo precision CNC machining to thread and fit anti-rotation pins. Every unit is then subjected to 100% ultrasonic testing, which sends high-frequency sound waves through the metal to detect hidden internal flaws. Finally, the bespoke hardware faces physical validation. In this testing bay, the shackle is hooked around a heavy block and subjected to a rigorous proof load test, pulling it to exactly twice its certified working load limit. By keeping every step, from raw material forging to digital modeling and physical testing under one roof, ASDO eliminates the external bottlenecks that typically slow production down. Exactly 5 weeks after the initial drawings were approved, the finished, fully certified shackles arrive here at the coastal staging grounds in Mumbai. Offshore, the teams immediately begin the final rigging process, integrating the new custom shackles directly between the irregular platform lifting points and the crane's massive hooks. The crane lines pull taut. The bespoke hardware steadily takes on the immense tension of the lift, bearing the entire 900-ton weight securely as the massive platform topside finally ascends from the turbulent sea. This flawless lift validates the rapid engineering sprint back in Germany. It proves that bespoke, accelerated manufacturing can survive the extreme physical realities of the open ocean. With the lifting bottleneck solved, the rest of the operation proceeded rapidly. All 5 Tapti platforms were dismantled 2 months ahead of schedule, successfully beating the monsoon. The operation set a new national benchmark for offshore decommissioning in India, finishing with zero safety or environmental incidents. For the evolving offshore market, success requires the agility to engineer and deliver the missing link exactly when the clock runs out. In a race against the elements, engineering speed is the ultimate asset.